Cocoa supplements are trending, especially flavanols that might help your heart, brains, and circulation. But does Black Forest Cocoa Flavanols really deliver benefits or just another wellness hype? Let's find out. So this product is a high flavanol cocoa powder boasting 600 milligrams of cocoa flavanols and 600 milligrams of flavonoids per servings, which is marketed to support improved blood flow, nitric oxide production, balanced blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular health. Cocoa flavanols, especially compounds like epicatechin, are real plant nutrients linked with vegetable intake and heart health in scientific research. Here's where the science gets interesting. Clinical studies show cocoa flavanols can improve blood vessel dilation and flow-mediated dilation, an indicator of cardiovascular support. Some research suggests high flavanol intake may enhance vascular function and exercise capacity in adults. Independent reviews often mention improved energy and circulation, especially when mixed into morning drinks. But let's be honest, supplements aren't magic. Cocoa flavanols won't dramatically change your health overnight, and they won't cure heart disease or fix vision. Real results vary between individuals, and scientific evidence is stronger for general vascular markers than for major clinical outcomes. Some users also mention mixed results or skepticism about the value compared to simple dark chocolate or diet changes. So does Black Forest Cocoa Flavanols actually work? Kind of. The underlying science supports cocoa flavanols for blood flow and vascular health, and many users report positive effects on circulation and energy. But it's not a miracle supplement, and the benefits are subtle. It's best taken as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, not as a standalone fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.